At these, the following words are always plural: pants, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongs. But when we refer to pair, then it goes then the verb is singular. The pants are torn, the pair of scissors was placed. Certain nouns, though plural in form, are singular in meaning. So they'll take singular verbs like mathematics, economics, social studies. The latest news is alarming to the public. When the word is preceded by a, it takes plural verb, but when it precedes by the, it takes singular verb. Look at the example. A number of students are waiting. The number of students outside is not recorded. When fractions are used, the verb agrees with the object of a phrase. Fractions: one half of the cake, 1/4 of the employees were. Okay. Look at the first: one half of the cake was consumed, 1/4 of the employees. Employees is plural, were attending. These nouns may be singular or plural in meaning. Athletics, genetics, politics, gymnastics, statistics. When the noun refers to an organized activity, it is singular, but when it refers to activities of different individuals within a group, it is plural. Gymnastics is a very popular among girls. The gymnastics shown in the field today were outstanding. The name of a country is always regarded as singular. Always remember the name of the country. The Bahamas has beautiful beaches. Philippines is a wondrous place. Adjectives used as nouns are considered plural. Adjectives used as nouns. The poor are to be helped. The efficient are what this country needs. Collective nouns may be singular or plural depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. These nouns are company, group, committee, crowd, jury, flock, team. It depends how they act. The committee is against the plan. So here it is acting collectively. So singular. The committee are of different opinion, acting individually. So plural. In the use of mathematical expressions, the following are accepted. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 and 3 are 10. 5 times 2 are 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. Titles of books, plays, articles, movies, etc. are regarded as singular, even though words in the title may be plural. Always remember. Great Expectations, it shows plural, but it will take a singular verb. Is a must-read novel. Names of organizations, they take a singular verb when the whole organization is referred to, and plural when members are referred. Like Lopez and Sons is a successful organization. Lopez and Sons are holding a 2-day annual meeting. If a sentence begins with the expletive it, the verb is always, it means it. The verb is always singular even if the subject that follows the verb is plural. So it is the schools which must assume the responsibility. It is us, both are plural, you see, but it will take a singular verb. So this is what you have, the rules of subject verb agreement. Hope you have understood it.